Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, experimenting with Dutch pours. I have some black Meeden paint that has a little bit of water in it. And I want to just cover my canvas with a light layer of paint using my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available on my Amazon link. Best paint spreading tool I know of. This is probably not all the official ways that everybody does Dutch pour, but so far I like my results, so I'm probably not going to change too fast. It's been mentioned that my paint might be too heavy or looks too heavy for somebody, and I thought it worked perfectly or exactly as I had expected to. I know it takes a little practice to get used to doing this. I'm not looking to spread any paint particularly in a heavy layer on my canvas. I maybe already have a heavier layer than I did the last couple times I did this. I have a new series of Dutch pours. They're on a playlist that has the word Dutch pour in it. If you go to my channel, you'll find all playlists, creative playlists, 1900 videos, 18 lists of 100, and the last one is being populated. So I want to do this in sections, and I don't know if I'll get away with it or not, but I'm going to try it. And what I mean by that is I'm going to take, oh, and I've got a hair. First thing, really must have come right off. I was just playing rock with the dog. So let's just go and give ourselves a little puddle. And then, because I can, maybe I can't. That was open when I went out to play. There we go. That is some Artist Loft metallic purple, probably amethyst. This is some folk art color shifting turquoise. This is some folk art neon purple with iridescent pearl fine in it. And I think I'll know pretty quickly if this method is going to work, because I just want to, like I said, do one section at a time. Now if I press straight down, oh, then I get that cool leaf shape. Maybe I'll do that some more. Kind of like that. I have a lot. I think I want to use a whole lot less white and black, but that's a good place to start with this experiment. I really want these things that are falling off my clothing to stop. So this time I'm going to use less, hopefully, and see what happens. This is an electric blue. It's a metallic from Arteza. This is my prism pour with my regular pouring recipe in it from Primary Elements. And I think I'm going to throw some, where'd it go? Venetian blue. Although what I really want in there is green. Maybe I can do that too. So that's some color shifting green gold. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to press straight down and then out. I think one of these needs to have some gold in it. And I'm just going to keep right on going. Picking dog hairs out and other things. Come on out. Thank you. Trying to use less and less of this color. Maybe if I use the black. Now I said I wanted some hot orchid, didn't I? This is the stuff with just the water in it. Good experiment. What else have I got that I like the look of? I have some turquoise with gold iridescent pearl fine, and I said I wanted some gold. That's what I said. I remember now. And of course it's plugged. So what have I got that isn't plugged? I have some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. They do look like leaves to me. For me, it kind of means I could attach them to a branch. They're just blown puddles, but I like them. So I'm going to see if I can't go smaller also. How small can I go? That's a good question. I'll just surround that. So I like that, how that gold turned out. It seems like I need to have more colors than I do the puddles. I kind of want some, I haven't used any of this emerald green. I saw it land right there. Dragging it right in there. So I haven't tried to torch with any of these yet, and maybe I want to do that before I do the last couple. I like the negative space. I like the white on the black too. Maybe I'll use copper for the branch. I think 4, 5, 6. This is going to be interesting. Maybe I'll use less paint if I squeeze it out of the smaller bottles. This is what I have left of my golden hour, which is an Arteza metallic, which I love and want some more of. Some more of that electric blue. And I think we'll try some of the Folk Art Purple Flash, which is a color shifting. Also, you know what? I want some blue also. Kind of liking my theme, very much so. That does not belong, but that's okay. I could probably drag something right through the center of these. What should it be? It should be a skewer. Maybe it shouldn't be anything. Maybe it's okay. That one got bug chewed. So cool. Dutch pour leaves. I like it. So far, so good. How small can I go? That is the question. I was thinking, you know, the air is just going to decide to take over at some point. This way I get to pick my colors. I kind of like that idea. All the same colors. I kind of want some red, so I guess I'll settle for the hot orchid right now. That looks like a lot of paint. Got to learn to not drag the blow dryer through that. I definitely want to put, I don't know if I can do it. I probably can put a copper line in there, but maybe I don't need that because this is kind of cool. I got room for one more. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I think I want a 7th one. I'm going to try some of the hot orchid. I want to try this with nothing, but I think I'll put some white metallic from Anita's in there and see how that works. My orange is a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch that has iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. I never did unplug my gold, and I really want that gold. I love how leaf shapes are so organic that what I'm making looks like them no matter what. So, like, even if they're a little bit raggedy. I gotta do it. I gotta have a little bit of black. Alright, so this should be my last leaf, which means after the blow dryer's off, I'll talk to you guys about the fact that there are 92,000 subscribers on my channel. That one didn't work out very well. We'll just have to modify what's going on here. Hopefully not drag anything through. Oh well, we'll just pretend that it's perfect. Or we'll pretend that it's going in the opposite direction. Hey, that's a better idea. We'll just fill that in with a skewer right over the edge. Got some really nice lacing in there. So do I do the copper or not? I can't really risk it. Oh boy. Well, if I do it, I need something else. To go through. Like a branch. Come out. Could be kind of cool. And we'll leave the last one. That's kind of neat. I like it. Make a small adjustment. They probably don't even really need to be completely perfect because it's abstract expressionism for me at least. So there's over 92,000 subscribers on my channel. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for being here. If you're unsubscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. There are, as I said, I think I said, I'm not sure, I make a lot of videos, which reminds me, I have over 1,900, but I think I said there were 18 lists of 100. And that's kind of cool. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to complain about that a bit. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, asking you to give me a thumbs up, share my videos, watch them longer, watch them when the notifications come out. Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me. They keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you want to be included in the monthly drawing, ooh, that's even nicer up here. Wow. And look for the PayPal and Patreon icons to contribute through them on the lower right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or on my link tree, which is below the video. The links are on the link tree, yeah. And on the link tree, you're also going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more for shopping, pixels.com, and Fine Art America, also on the link tree. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also on the link tree. More Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, where I post tomorrow's video. I also post tomorrow's video on the community board quite often. I'm going to torch some more of these to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I forgot one Facebook group was Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, where you can see albums with the edited artworks. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, please contact me using the email address below Show More. When you click Show More, that's right below the link tree, you will find it. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and you will find the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, and you will also find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you again for everything. Don't forget, you can always shop Teespring clothing, and if you can't find what you want, just ask me and use the hashtag and the file number, both to identify what you might want to have reproduced, and if you're interested in making a purchase. And don't forget also that I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.